I open the material I want to rotate. I right-click and add a custom rotator node. I connect the rotated values to the UV input of the textures. Then right-click and add a texture coordinate node. I connect this node to the UV of the custom rotator. I hold down the 1 key and left-click to add a vector node. I connect this node to the rotation angle. In the Details panel, I change the value to 0.25 since I only want to rotate the textures 90 degrees. I can access the UV editor under the modeling mode. I select Project UVs. I'll use the box for the projection type. If I had a flat plane, for example, I'd change this to plane, and if I had a cylindrical object, I would change this to cylinder. Now all I need to do is change the dimensions. Once I have the dimensions looking correct, I can click on Accept. Now just be aware, if you have only one UV, everything will change to these same transforms. If you want a tutorial on using UDIMs in Unreal Engine 5, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video about rotating and scaling UV maps in Unreal Engine 5, you may enjoy this video. Have a good day.